Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy to see you again.
Yes, today we will learn something very important and very useful.
That's right. Today's topic is small talk.
Small talk is simple conversation. Short, easy, and friendly.
You use small talk every day at work, at school, at the store, even in the elevator.
Yes, everywhere.
Before we start, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.
Okay, are you ready?
Let's learn together.
Donna, what is small talk?
Small talk is a short, friendly conversation.
Yes, very good.
It is not deep. It is not serious.
Right, it is simple.
We talk about easy things like weather, work, food, weekend plans.
Yes, these are safe topics.
Safe topics means easy to talk about.
Let's repeat together. Small talk is a short, friendly conversation.
Good job.
Okay, imagine this. You meet a new person.
Oh, I feel nervous sometimes.
That's okay. Small talk helps you.
Let's try.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm good too.
Nice.
This is very common.
Very, very common.
Let's repeat. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
You can also ask, where are you from? What do you do?
Let's try. Conversation practice. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Oh, nice. I'm from the Philippines.
That's great. Now you try. Where are you from?
Now, let's talk about work.
Yes, small talk at work is very important.
But keep it simple. Example.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How's your day?
It's good, a little busy.
Same here.
Busy means you have many things to do.
Let's repeat.
I am busy. I am a little busy.
You can say, how was your weekend? Are you busy today?
Let's practice. How was your weekend?
It was good. I watched a movie.
Nice. I stayed home.
That sounds relaxing.
Ah, yes, the most popular topic.
The weather. Nice weather today.
Yes, it's sunny.
Sunny means the sun is out.
Let's repeat. It is sunny. Nice weather today.
You can also say, it's cold. It's hot. It's raining.
It's cold today.
Yes, very cold. How is the weather today?
Okay, now a fun situation.
A party.
Let's go.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Do you know anyone here?
Yes, I know Sarah.
Oh, nice.
Nice to meet you is very important.
Yes, use it when you meet someone new.
Nice to meet you.
You can ask, what do you do? Do you like the party?
Let's try.
Now, neighbors.
Oh, yes. Friendly neighbors are nice. Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm good too.
Nice day today.
Yes, very nice.
Simple, short, friendly.
That's small talk.
Let's review.
Important questions.
How are you? Where are you from? What do you do? How was your weekend? Nice weather today.
Repeat again. How are you? Where are you from? What do you do?
Let's play a game.
Yes, answer the question.
Question 1. How are you today?
What did you do last weekend?
What is the weather today?
Good job.
Great job today.
You learned small talk.
Now you can speak more English every day.
Remember, Keep it simple.
Keep it friendly.
And don't be afraid.
Practice every day.
Now, tell us in the comments, where are you from?
And what is the weather today in your country?
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.